If you've ever heard of the word bellicose being used and not quite sure what it means, you're not alone. To avoid being embarrassed from people who are supercilious, that means when someone thinks they're better than you are and tries to talk over your head, or are obfuscating the message. That means they're trying to hide the real meaning of what they're saying. Takes a larger and more complex vocabulary of advanced words to increase your ability to truly understand what they're saying and what they mean. That's why it's important to learn new words, to stay in the know and not be confused when you see and hear them. Today's word is bellicose. That's an adjective. A good comprehensive meaning of bellicose is when someone is aggressive, hostile, having the impulse to be combative, and even wanting to shed blood through violence. Similar words or synonyms of bellicose are aggressive, combative, hostile, belligerent, quarrelsome, contentious, threatening, nasty, heartless, and irascible. Antonyms or opposite words of bellicose are agreeable, easygoing, friendly, genial, compliant, docile, respectful, kind, cooperative, and conciliatory. Here's several sentences of how bellicose, that's an adjective, is used in a sentence. In a continued display of not thinking about how his bellicose statements were affecting people, his chances of being taken seriously continue to falter. The bellicose rhetoric was not helping to change anyone's opinion about the situation. One of the real dangers the new policies created is a rise of intolerant and bellicose people who proudly air their views fearing no consequences. Sensible voices are rarely heard and often relentlessly rejected by barrages of bellicose opinions. To learn how to deal with bellicose people, it takes practice, patience, and diplomacy. The best way to learn more about advanced vocabulary words is to learn and start using at least 1 to 3 words a week, and then to start using them in conversations, presentations, and videos as soon and as often as possible, just like the one in the video on your screen right now. Remember that my goal is to vociferously and sagaciously provide you with a preponderance of words and techniques to help you increase your communication skills in school, work, and life. I'll see you online soon.